Okay, ndewo. Abụ m Kunet Ogochukwu Ohio. Tata, ihe anyị nwere ime wụ ihe m nyere unu mee n'izu gara aga. So what we have to do today is the homework I sent home last week. But only few people did it. And I don't know why. Chinwendewo. So I thank all of you that did your homework. I know the little ones, yes, you can't do it yet, but mommy and daddy, they are supposed to assist to help you explain some things. It's just for you to try. And some of you that are doing the homework, I see a big difference. They're learning and they're doing very well. But most of you who didn't do anything, I don't know how you expect to learn Igbo if you don't want to do a simple assignment. So if you want to learn Igbo, if you are really serious, you have to at least try. At least try. That's all I'm asking you guys. At least try, please. Okay, so I'm going to put the assignment and we're going to go line by line. We take it one after another. And then if you have question, no noise in this class. If you have question, you can ask me a question. But that will be toward the end when I give you opportunity to ask question. Now, Ikenna, I see you holding pencil. Don't play with your pencil. I need you to listen. Keep your pencil down so that you don't hurt yourself. So everybody pay attention. We have 77 people so far. And I need everybody, please, to respect everyone here by not making noise, by not talking. You need to do us proud. Make your parents proud. Do not come to class and talk, please. I have accommodated everyone enough. And I want you guys to also respect me. Okay, if you want me to be happy with you, I want everybody to be happy. You gotta make me happy too. All right, thank you. All right, so let me go ahead and share the screen right now. Give me a second. Okay, let me see. All right, it's coming up. Okay, so last week we did something. I sent a song home too. I don't know how many people that did it. How many of you listened to the song? Did everybody listen to the song? Did everybody do something? 2 people only say that they listened to it. 3 people. If you listen to it, raise your hand because I'm seeing everybody. So only 3 people listen to it. Wow, that's a shame, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to write this thing up. All right, so give me a second. I want to make sure you're seeing me and what I'm saying. All right, so you can see me very well. And let me know if you're not seeing what I'm doing, okay? So right now, this is the screen I'm sharing with you here. So the assignment I gave to you last week.
It's frozen.
It's okay, it's gonna come up. The assignment I gave to you last week is here, and all of you can see the screen. Okay, so the screen that I'm sharing with you, most of you didn't do the assignment. And I don't know why. I still want you to, after this class, to try something, please. You have to try something. If you don't try, you won't be able to do well. You have to try something. All right, so let me see if 5 people are waiting. All right, so, okay, so number one, we're going to take it now, the first paragraph. The first paragraph is saying, hello, my friend. And we all know how to say hello. We all know how to say hello. And we are not supposed to be confused. You can say hello by saying, kedu ndewo. You say that? Ndewo, enyim. Kedu, enyim. So
It's
that's what you
frozen.
The document hasn't loaded, Auntie.
Okay, well, okay, 1 second. Let me see. Can you see the screen?
Yes, but it's frozen.
Okay, let me see. I need to find out what's going on here. Let me check the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is still full. But I don't know why it's not. Okay. Okay, so can you see my mouse moving?
No.
You can't see the mouse. Okay, let me share the screen again. Let me stop sharing. It's okay. It's okay. Let me get the screen back. I'm going to share the screen again. I need to find out what's going on. Okay. Can you see the screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
All right. I'm so happy everybody can see it now. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now everybody, please, if I mute you, do not unmute yourself. I need everyone to be listening. I don't want anybody to unmute, please. So listen to me and get this right. Okay, I'm saying that if you say hello, my friend, so we are taking the first paragraph. Hello, my friend. Okay, you can say, ndewo, kedu e, kedu, my friend. Also, you can say, how are you? So this is trying to say hi, hello, okay? Kedu, ndewo, my friend, ndewo, enyim, or kedu, enyim. You see that? So, enyim, you can also say, enyim, kedu. All right, I'm going to type it here. Enyim, kedu. Or you can say, kedu, enyim. Ndewo, enyim. All right, so we can say, ndewo. Ndewo, ndewo, enyim. Or you can say, kedu, enyim. You can also say, enyim, kedu. You can switch it around. It is the same thing. Okay, so, hello, my friend. Kedu, enyim. Ndewo, enyim. How are you and your friend? How are you and your friend? Is kedu ka gị na ezinụlọ gị mere? See that? How are you is kedu. We all know this. Kedu. Kedu ka gị. Kedu ka gị. Gị means you. No, who is playing with the screen? No, no, no. Just listen to me. Kedu ka gị na ezinụlọ gị? How are you and your friend and your family? Okay? Kedu ka gị? How are you? Gị means you. How are means kedu ka. You means gị and your family. And is na. Na. Your family means ezinụlọ. Gị na. Okay? Ezina. You can remember when we did the preposition. We say you can contrast now like this. Ezina, ụlọ. Okay, so kedu ka gị na ezinụlọ gị mere? Kedu ka gị na ezinụlọ gị mere? All right. Wow, we have how many people now? Whoa, 90. Okay. We have 92 people so far. Okay, ezinaulo means your family. Family means ezinaulo. Okay, so please pay attention. Kedu ka gị na ezinaulo gị mere? All right, it's a question. Okay, so now we go to, what is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Some people will say, gịnị bụ afa gị? Okay, some people will say, kedu ihe bụ afa gị? Kedu ihe bụ aha gị? But we are going to use gịnị bụ aha gị. Some people will say afa gị, but we are teaching Central Igbo here. So we're gonna be using Central Igbo, all right? But the way your parents speak at home is how you're going to be speaking, which is your parents' dialect. But when you hear the other one, no, there is no difference. They are the same thing. Okay, gịnị bụ aha gị? That's how you say it, okay? My name is Adaeze. Aha m bụ Adaeze, okay? So, aha m bụ Adaeze. Aha m bụ Adaeze. And then the punctuation is supposed to be there. But I don't want to be doing it now because it's going to slow us down. Aha m bụ Adaeze. I am not going to, you know what? I'm going to say this. I'm not going to be writing it because I still want you to do your homework. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to be saying everything because I also want you to know how to punctuate, how to write Igbo correctly. Okay, how to write Igbo grammar correctly. So I'm not gonna, because I still want you to practice it. But I'm going to say it. I'm going to give you all the answers. You're gonna be the one to do it. You have to do it. Ị ga-eme ya ka ị nwee ike ịdị na-amụta. Ị ga-eme ya means you will do it. And then you learn from it, okay? All right, so aha m bụ, then you say your own name. You can even say Adaeze. It's okay. My siblings means nwanne. Sibling is nwanne. Sibling is nwanne. When you say sibling, you didn't say a brother or a sister, but you said my sibling means nwannem. Nwannem. Then if you want to differentiate the gender, you say nwannem nwoke means my brother. Nwannem nwanyị means my sister. Okay? Now, but what we say here is my sibling's name. It means my sibling's name. Nwannem, aha nwannem, and remember when we did now. Okay? You switch it around. Now can come first or last. And we said why. Okay? We said why. It should come first or last. So my sibling's name is Chukwuma. Aha nwannem bụ Chukwuma. Aha nwannem bụ Chukwuma. Because what I asked is what the sentence said is my sibling's name is Chukwuma. Is means bo. Is bo. Siblings means nwanne. Name means aha. Okay. Do you know those teenage boys and girls? Do you know? Let's break it down. Do you know means Emma. Emma means do you know? Emma. Do you know? Those ndị ahụ. Ndị ahụ. Do you know those teenage boys? Teenagers, okay? The teenagers means okorobịa. Teenage boys, okorobịa. Ụmụ okorobịa, teenage boys. Teenage boy, a teenage boy, okorobịa. When you put plural, ụmụ okorobịa, boys, okay, means teenage boys. Ụmụ okorobịa means teenage boys. Ụmụ agbọghọbịa means teenage girls. Ụmụ, but if it's singular, which is a teenage girl. Agbọghọbịa, agbọghọbịa. A teenage boy, okorobịa. Now, plural, teenage boys. Ụmụ okorobịa, teenage girls. Ụmụ agbọghọbịa. That's how it goes. Okay? Emma. Do you know Emma? Ndị ụmụ okorobịa na agbọghọbịa ndị ahụ. You see? Emma, ụmụ okorobịa na agbọghọbịa ndị ahụ. Those is ndị ahụ. Those ndị ahụ. Okay? All right. Now, please tell them. Please means biko. Tell them. Tell means gwa. Gwa. If I say tell me, it means gwam. Gwam means tell me. Gwa ha, because you say tell them. Please tell them. So when you are translating it, I want you to break it down. Break it down, because we did all these things. You should know the next lesson we are going to have will be a verb. Okay, we're gonna do verb next week. So now we did a lot of stuff for you to know how to, especially we did the pronouns. You should know how to break things down and then you put it together. Okay, now please, Miss Biko, tell wa them. Okay, tell them. Waha, them means ha. Them means ha. Waha, waha. Please tell them. Biko, waha, to stop. Ka ha kwụsị. To means ka. Ha kwụsị. Stop means kwụsị. Ime. Mkpọtụ. Mkpọtụ means noise. Mkpọtụ means what? Noise. Biko gwa ha ka ha kwụsị ime mkpọtụ. Please tell them to stop making noise. Biko, please gwa ha, tell them ka ha kwụsị ime mkpọtụ, to stop making noise. All right. I am reading my book. Now it says, I am reading my book. I means anam. Anam. Agụ. Agụ means reading. Agụ akwụkwọ m. Ana m agụ akwụkwọ m. I am reading mine. Mine means that M is mine. Ana m agụ akwụkwọ, or ana m agụ akwụkwọ m. I am reading my book. Book means akwụkwọ. School means ụlọ akwụkwọ. So don't get confused. A sheet of paper is akwụkwọ. A book is akwụkwọ. Okay, so a book is akwụkwọ. A sheet of paper is akwụkwọ. But then school, your school is ụlọ akwụkwọ. All right. Now we're going to where it says, whose is this? Whose is this? Kedu onye nwe ihe a? Whose? Okay, kedu onye nwe ihe a? Whose is this? Kedu onye nwe ya? Who owns it? Whose is it? Who owns it? Kedu onye nwe ya? Okay, whose means onye. This, ihe a, ihe a. Okay, when you want to find out whose is this, kedu onye nwe ihe a? Okay, you want to find out who that thing belongs to. That's what it is. Kedu onye nwe ya? All right. Who took my bag? Who took my bag? Onye, who means onye. Were, took, were. Akpam, akpa means bag. Akpa means a bag. Mine is it's possessive. Mine is which is possessive. Kedu onye were akpa m? Who took my bag? Kedu onye were akpa m? Okay? Make sure when you're doing this, you have to punctuate it correctly. If not, you're not right. You have to really punctuate well, because we are learning how to, understand Igbo, speak Igbo, write Igbo correctly. So we are doing everything at the same time. All right, so you have to practice. You have to practice, please, if you really want to know it. All right. We took it. We, remember when we did pronouns, we say we. We is anyị, anyị, anyị. We took it. Anyị were ya took. Anyị were ya. We took it. Anyị were ya. Ngozi took it. Ngozi were ya. My mom took it. Nnem were ya. My father took it. Nnam were ya. Okay, so this is what it is. We leave it there now. No. No means mba. No. Mba. If you want to say no, I didn't do it. Mba. Emegim ya. I did not do it. Emegim ya. If you did it, remember this is positive and negative way of saying something. I did it. Emerem ya. I did not do it. Emegim ya. Emegim ya. We're gonna do those ones. So, but I'm just trying to introduce you to that. Emerem ya. I did it. Emegim ya. I did not do it. Okay. So no means mba. Those women did. Those women did. Ụmụ nwanyị ahụ. Ụmụ nwanyị ahụ. Now pay attention now. Women. Women comes first. Remember when we did noun, okay? We're telling you when you're doing plural, sometimes coming from number, once it's singular, one comes first before the noun, but then noun comes first before the number when it's plural. Okay, so that is the way it is in Igbo. Now, women, umu, one. If it's woman, it means one. That's one woman. It's singular. But once it's plural, two and above. Women. Umu nwanyị. Okay? Okay, those women. Umu nwanyị. Those means ahụ. Umu nwanyị. Ndị ahụ. Those means ndị ahụ. Those women did. Umu nwanyị ahụ mere ya. Okay? Okay. Yes means yes. Uchenna, ị nọ ebe a? Anọ m ebe a. It means Uchenna, are you here? Uchenna, ị nọ ebe a? Anọ m ebe a means yes, I am here. Okay, Uchenna, Amarachi, ị nọ ebe a? Mba means no. Amarachi said no. Mba, anọghị m ebe a. No, I am not here. Okay? Okay. Amaka, are you there? Mba, anọghị m ebe ahụ. There. There means ebe ahụ. Amaka, are you there? Mba, anọghị m ebe ahụ. No, I am not there. Okay. Okay. Chinwe, ị batago? Chinwe, are you home? Abatago m, anọ m ya. You can say, yes, I'm back. Yeah. Alọtago m. Alọtago m. Yes, I am back home. Okay? All right, so moving on. I saw the two women. I saw the two women. Me. You say, you refer to yourself. Ahụrụ m ụmụ nwanyị. Okay? Abụọ. I saw the two women. ahụrụ m ụmụ nwanyị. Remember it says yes, I saw the two women. Ahụrụ m ụmụ nwanyị abụọ ahụ. Meaning that you're trying to tell the person, yes, I saw the two women, which means probably they're the ones that took it. Okay, so means yes. Ahụrụ m ụmụ nwanyị abụọ. Okay, now please greet everyone for me. Please. Now we know what is please, which is biko. Biko. You say biko when you're trying to get something from somebody, when you're trying to please somebody to help you, when you're trying to say, okay, I am sorry, biko, forgive me. You know, at least just be polite when you are trying to beg, you know, somebody to do something, somebody to understand, you know, biko, please. Greet everyone. Greet means kele. Everyone means onye ọbụla. Onye ọbụla. Kele onye ọbụla. All right. Tell me means wam. Tell means wa. Me, mu. Tell me, mu. Tell me, guam, guam. All right. Are you coming to school today? Now let's take it slow. Are you ena? Okay. Are you coming? Ena abia akwụkwọ taa. Are you coming to school today? Ena abia akwụkwọ taa maọbụ ena abia akwụkwọ tata. Today means ta, or you can say tata. All is ma obu. Ma obu. Are you coming to school today? Ena abia akwụkwọ tata maọbụ ena abia akwụkwọ taa. All right. Are your friends coming? Ndị, your friends. Remember when we did plural, when you say enyi, friend, a friend, enyi. Ndị enyi, my friends. There's no such a thing as S. Ndị, my friends is ndị enyi, okay? Then plural on the other side say ụmụ, aka, children. My friends, ndị enyi. All right. Are your friends coming? Ndị enyi gị ha na-abịa? Ndị enyi gị ha na-abịa? Remember again, we did now, and I explained to you how you put it together when it's singular, when it's plural. Why now should come first and why it should come last. Okay? So now this is plural. Friends, ndị enyi ọ na-abịa. Okay? Are your friends coming? Ndị enyi gị. Ndị enyi gị. I'm asking you. Ndị enyi gị. Not ndị enyi m, not my friends, but your friends. Ndị enyi gị ọ na-abịa. Okay? Now, who are those men and women talking? Who are those men and women talking? Kedu ndị ụmụ nwoke na ụmụ nwanyị? You see? Kedu ndị nwoke na nwanyị? Ndị nwoke na nwanyị na-ekwu okwu. Kedu ndị ha bụ? You're trying to find out who are they. Kedu ndị ụmụ nwoke na ndị nwoke? You can even just say ndị nwoke, or you can say ụmụ nwoke na ụmụ nwanyị na-ekwu okwu. Kedu ndị ha bụ? Or you can say ndị nwoke na nwanyị na-ekwu okwu. Kedu ndị ha bụ? You see that? So you can say, who are those men and women talking? Ndị nwoke na nwanyị na-ekwu okwu. Kedu ndị ha bụ? You can also say, kedu ndị ụmụ nwanyị na nwoke na-ekwu okwu? So there are so many ways you can say it, but right now, stick with what you can say, what you can interpret, and then we go from there. You get better as we go, okay? And if you practice this, you're going to get better. Just try your best. I'm not looking for perfection. I just want you to try. Try something, then I'll see. I know where to help you. If you don't try, I won't know where to help you. I am so proud of the few that sent their homework. I think Chinwe and who are other person perfectly well. They did it well. Just few minor things, errors. that I'm going to call them and I'm going to go over with them so that they will see their mistakes and why they're making the mistakes. And when I go over with you, it's going to help you maybe clarify things that you're not getting, things that maybe why you made that mistake. Okay, so that's why it's very important. You need to take advantage of what I'm offering you. This class is free. We only survive by donation, and donation is welcome anytime. So if I'm not charging you for this class, why not take advantage of it and learn? You know, so I am available to help you because I want our people to learn Igbo language. Then you have to really, you know, don't take it for granted because you won't get it every day. So now that I can offer this, why not take advantage of it in a good faith and then make good use of it? Okay, so try it. You take Spanish in school. You come out 4 years in high school, even from middle school, you still can't speak it. If you're taking this class and somebody is willing to help you to learn it, my kids, they can speak Igbo. Chinyere Ohaya, my daughter, she can speak Igbo. She can teach Igbo. So the same way I taught my children, it's the same way I'm teaching you. And I want you, if you do what I'm telling you, trust me, you're going to learn it. Okay, at least try to understand it first. And then gradually you speak the basic, the simple Igbo, basic Igbo words. From there, and then you see yourself maturing and then speaking it. Okay, it just comes. You wouldn't even know when you see yourself speaking Igbo. You'll be like, oh wow, if you take it serious. All right, okay, so now where are they going to? You see here, it says, where are they going to? Ebe means where. Are they? Kaha naga. Where are they going to? Ebe kaha naga. Or mobo. Ebe kaha neje. Ebe means where. Okay, now I say, Amarachi. Ebe ke naga. Means Amarachi, where are you going? Nnamdi. Ebe ke naga. Miss Nnamdi, where are you going? Okay. All right. So stay well. Stay well means noro nke ọma. You know, you visited your friend and you're leaving and you say, oh, stay well. See you next time. Stay well means noro nke ọma. Okay. Noro nke ọma. All right. So we are moving on to the second paragraph. The second paragraph says, I have another question. I have another question. Enwere m ajụjụ ọzọ. Enwere m means I have. Another means ọzọ. But ajụjụ now, the question comes before ajụjụ. So pay attention. Because if you translate it just line by line like that, you might be wrong. But it's okay. Just try it, test it. I want you to try, then I will correct you. And you will understand. And next time you do it well. Okay, I have another question. Enwere m ajụjụ ọzọ. Enwere m ajụjụ ọzọ. Now, the second sentence here. What happened to your brother's leg and nose? Because I tried to put like head to toe. We did head to toe. So, what happened to your brother's leg and nose? Okay. What happened? Gịnị mere. What happened means gịnị mere. To your brother. Nwanne gị. Gịnị mere ụkwụ nwanne gị. Ụkwụ means leg. Ụkwụ means leg. Nose means imi. Imi. Okay. So gịnị mere ụkwụ nwanne gị. Ụkwụ na imi nwanne gị nwoke. Okay. Nwanne gị nwoke means your brother. Nwanne nwoke means brother. Leg means, nose means imi. Okay, so that's what it is. All right. Now we're going to go to all right. So his fingers, toes, back, hand, teeth, tongue, chin, leg, eyes. I put all these things because I want you to tell me what they are. Okay, his fingers. His means mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka ya. Mkpịsị aka ya. His ya. Mkpịsị aka ya. Toes means mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Back means azụ. Azụ. Okay, back is azụ. Azụ. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Teeth, eze. Your teeth, eze. Tongue, ire. Your tongue is ire. Chin, agba. Chin, agba. Leg, ụkwụ. Ụkwụ. Eyes, anya. See, I'm blacking. Eyes, anya. Ears, ntị. Cheeks, ntị. 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 Anya. Okay. Stomach, your afọ. 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 Your elbow. Your elbow. Ikiri aka. Ikiri aka. Elbow. Ikiri aka. Okay, these are the parts of the body. All right, go back to your note and go over it. If you don't have it, you can text me. I'll send it to you. But it's in the forum, in the platform. You get it there? But if you don't have it, please feel free to let me know. If you don't have it, I'll send them to you. Okay, I did not see it. I did not see it means ahụghị m ya. Me. I did not see it. Ahụghị m ya. Okay. If it's something, okay, oh, I can see it. Ahụrụ m ya. Okay, agam ahụrụ m ya ebe a. It's good. But you didn't see it. I did not see it. Ahụghị m ya. All right. Wait means chere. Wait. Chere. Chere. Okay. I am coming. I am coming means anam abia. Anam abia. I am coming. Anam abia. Okay. I am coming means anam abia. All right. You went to their house. You went to their house. I'm telling you that you went to just theirs. And what I'm trying to get you here, you means went, gara. Went means gara. Gara n'ụlọ ha. Dia ha. Gara n'ụlọ ha. House means ụlọ. Ụlọ. You went to their house. Gara n'ụlọ ha. We are coming. We are coming. We means anyị, all of us. Anyị, including you and the rest of them, everybody. Anyị na-abịa. Anyị na-abịa. We are coming. We means anyị na-abịa are coming. Okay? Anyị na-abịa. If you're paying attention now, na is bo. Okay? Okay? Na-abịa ka. So all these things, pay attention when I'm talking. If you're picking all these things, it's going to help you. We are coming. Anyị na-abịa. Okay? I see Victoria raising hand. Victoria, wait, we have time for questions. I'll give you time, okay? All of them might not make it to your house. Now breaking it down. All of them. All of them. Ha niile. Ha niile. All of you. Unu niile. Now, when you say all of them, that is an indirect way of talking. It's an indirect. Okay? When I'm talking to Onyebuchi, when I'm talking to Chima, when I'm talking to Chinwe, I say all of them. might not make it. All of them. So I'm talking to Chinwe about some group. But if I'm looking at the group, I'm talking to you. I'm looking at the group and I say, you all of you, okay? All of you. Ono nile. But when I'm talking to another person about another group, ha nile, I am not talking to you direct. It's an indirect. Ha nile. Pay attention again. When I'm looking at all of you, and I'm referring to you guys, I will say, you all, meaning ono nile, because it is a direct talk. I am looking at you talking, okay? But if I'm talking to divine, if I'm talking to angel, I say angel. All of them are not going to make it. All of them are not coming to your house. So I'm not talking to the group, but I'm talking to angel. Referring to the group is a referrer. I'm referring to the group. I'm not talking to the group direct, but I'm talking to another person referring to the group. So pay attention there. Okay. All of them might not make it to your house. Ha niile nwere ike, might not. All of them nwere ike ha agaghị abịali n'ụlọ gị. House, ụlọ. Now, if you've been hearing house, hearing some words, n'ụlọ gị, okay? Now, but you all will come to my house. Mana, but means mana. But mana. But you all, mana. Unu niile. Now, you see, you all, it's a direct, I'm looking at you. Mana means but. Mana. Unu niile. You all means unu niile. Welcome. Will means ga. Come means abia. You all, unu niile ga-abịa n'ụlọ m. My house means ụlọ m. Now I say good night. Kachifo. Good night means kachifo. And you can respond, Kabo. May you done well. All right. So right now we're going to stop here. We're going to stop here. You should be able to do the last paragraph yourself. Are you okay? Edekwa mma. Odekwa mma. Edekwa mma. Are you okay? So I'm not gonna do it. I'll let you do it. Okay, write it. You can print it out. My kids, what I did, I printed them the papers out and let them translate underneath. And the people that did it already, they did a good job. That was what they did. I want you to do that. Okay. Now I'm going to open the floor for questions. So if you have a question, I know Victoria was raising hand. Victoria, go ahead and unmute yourself and ask me a question.
That was an accident, sorry.
Who is talking? Oh, it was an accident. Okay, no problem, Victoria. Okay, now, guys, now I said now this is the time for you to ask question. Ajuju means question. And before you ask question, this is what you're gonna say. Abum, say your name. You can tell me your name. Ahambo. Ijoma. Enwerem ajuju. You say I have a question. Ahambo Ijoma. Enwerem ajuju. My name is Ijoma. I have a question. Okay, so everyone, before you ask anything, that's what you're gonna do. All right, go on. Okay, Obiekezie Ozibo. Go ahead.
Ahambo Ihedumunuche.
Ihedumunuche. Ngwa.
Enwem ajụjụ.
Again?
Enwem ajụjụ.
Say enwerem.
Enwerem.
Ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ.
Good. Ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
In paragraph 2, you skipped the whole line.
Which line?
The one that said don't miss dinner. Please do not miss to eat dinner today.
Is it on paragraph 2?
Yeah, on paragraph 2. Please do not miss to eat dinner today or lunch tomorrow.
Ah, thank you. It shows that it means you're paying attention. Thank you. Dalu. Okay. So now it means thank Dalu. Yes, he said emailer. That's good. I'm proud of you. Okay. So please do not, please, and we all know please it means biko. Do not miss. Agakwala. 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 See that? Agakwala means do not miss. We stop there. To eat dinner today. Agakwala. Iri nri. Eat. Iri means to eat. Iri, to eat. Nri means food. Dinner. Dinner means anyasi. Nri anyasi. Biko agakwala iri nri anyasi. You see that? Ta or tata. And I always say or means marble. Agakwala, please do not miss to eat dinner today or lunch tomorrow. Now, biko agakwala iri nri anyasi. Tata. You can also say ta. Okay? Marble. Or, see, or means ma. M-A, marble. O-B-U. But or, okay? Okay? Marble. Lunch tomorrow. Nri ehihie. Lunch means nri ehihie. Tomorrow bu echi. Marble nri ehihie echi. Biko agakwala iri nri anyasị tata maọbụ nri ehihie echi. Okay? Where are the books? Where? Kedu? Ebe. Where are the books? Kedu ebe akwụkwọ ndị a nọ? Books. Kedu ebe akwụkwọ ndị a? Okay? Where are the books? Kedu akwụkwọ ndị a? Kedu akwụkwọ ndị a? You want to know where they are. Where are they? Kedu akwụkwọ ndị a? Kedu ha? Kedu akwụkwọ ahụ? You see? You want to know the books. Where are they? Kedu akwụkwọ ndị ahụ? Akwụkwọ ndị. You put ndị because of the plural, because of the X. Okay? All right, now. They are there. They are there. They means ha. They means ha. Don't forget your pronouns. They means ha. No. Ebe ahụ. There means ebe ahụ. They are there. Ha no. Ebe ahụ. Ihe dị m n'uche daalụ. Ngwa. Ugbu a onye nwere ajụjụ ya jụọ ajụjụ. Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ ya jụọ ajụjụ o?
Afọ m bụ Chizitelu.
Chizitelu ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
How do we do the homework?
Chizitelu, can you achọrọ m ka esi m enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, what does that mean? Tell me what it means in English. Chizitelu, enwere m ajụjụ means I have a question. Okay? Okay, Chizitelu. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Good,
darling. So you say, how do you do the homework? Tell mommy, is your mommy there?
No, she's upstairs.
Okay, so tell mommy to call auntie after class, okay? I will direct your mom how to do it, okay?
Okay.
It's going to help you and explain it line by line, just like I did, okay?
Okay.
Okay, email Adalo. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Chukwudi.
Enwere
m ajụjụ.
Yes.
Can we do that Quizlet.live even though we're not in the Zoom? Can we still do it?
Yeah, I sent the link to your mommy.
Yeah, but
Your mom, your mom is gonna show you the link. Okay, I sent it to your mom.
Okay.
So the link, your mom will find the link
Well,
and
what
can send it to you, okay? And you can go there anytime to practice.
But what
You
about
can go there anytime to practice anything you want to practice, okay?
But what about the code?
The code, you don't need the code to do that. The code is when everybody is doing it in the class live. Whenever we are doing live, that's the only time you need the code. But you don't need the code now, okay?
Okay.
So you can go there with the link since you registered. You can get there and then be able to do it anytime you want to. Okay, so if your mom doesn't have it or your dad doesn't have it, I want them to get in touch with me after class. All right?
Okay.
Gini bụ okay? Chukwud.
Dalo.
Good, okay. All right. So kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Chimbusoma. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ka Chibusom ndewo kwuo enwere m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay. Ngwa jụọ ọnụ o.
This homework that you're showing us, is this for our homework?
Yeah, the homework that I sent to him last week.
Yeah, but where can we find it?
It's on the platform. Your mom or daddy is going to pull it for you, okay? Can you tell your mom to call auntie? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mark Anthony, Adako, I see, Adako, did you register? You didn't register in this class. Adako, I need you to call me because I see you in the class as a guest. You've not been in this class, but it's okay. Somebody is raising hand. Mark Anthony, you were raising your hand. Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Adaeze Ezemonye.
Adaeze Ezemonye.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ndewo, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
So after we do the homework, like where do we turn it in? Do we just send it to you?
You can send it to the platform or you can send it to me.
Okay.
Through WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ndewo. Enwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ọ bụ onye na-ekwu?
Chisom.
Chisom, ngwa jụọ ọnụ.
What kind of homework do we have?
Okay, Chisom. The homework I sent it out, just what we just did. Can you tell mommy to call me? Then I explain to mommy how to help you, okay? Or tell daddy to call me, or send a message to me on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Then I will explain to him, to your dad or your mom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ndewo.
Yeah.
O nwere ndị ọzọ na-eweli aka elu ngwa. Deka ngwa jụọ ajụjụ. Deka ị na-eweli aka elu, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ. Unmute yourself and then ask the question. Okay? Can you unmute yourself?
Oh.
Can you unmute yourself and ask the question?
Afam bụ Chedigo.
Chedigo ngwa jụọ na ajụjụ.
What kind of homework did we have?
I sent it to the WhatsApp forum. Your parents should be able to pull it for you, okay? And tell your parents, as he said, that they should put the homework and then help you out. Okay? If they need my help, they can reach me and ask me if they have any questions. Okay?
Aha m Chukwudi Honora.
Chukwudi Honora, ngwa.
I just want to know which one.
I want you to say the second one. I have a question. Okay. Chukwudi, go ahead and unmute yourself and ask the question. And say, I want you to say, "Enwere m ajụjụ."
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay.
I just want to know which website do we do this homework?
Okay, Chukwudi, there's no website, okay? I think your parents, they're supposed to help you because since you don't have phone, you won't be able to see what I'm posting. The homework is on WhatsApp platform where all the students and their parents are, okay? So tell your parents to pull it out for you and show it to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, daalụ. Nwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ, anyị agala akwụsị akwụkwọ tata.
I nwere m ajụjụ.
Onye na-ekwu?
Afa m bụ Chizitalụ.
Chizitalụ m, ngwanụ.
How can they pull it out?
Huh?
How can they pull it out?
Tell mommy to test me, okay?
Okay.
I will explain to mommy, okay? Ndewo. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Chizitalụ m, are you okay? Ndewo. I want you to be happy, okay? Mommy will, once mommy call me, I will explain to mommy, okay? Okay. Nwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ?
Aha m bụ Chimbusoma. Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ngwa.
Are there more than 3 pages?
No, it's just 1 page. It's just
so we have to read all of them?
It's 1 page. Now, I want your parents to help you on the last one. Okay? You have 3 paragraphs in 1 page, okay? They will help you finish the last paragraph, okay?
Okay.
Because I want them to explain to you. That way you will understand a little bit. And auntie will help you learn to speak it. And parents will help you too. Okay? Chidubem, you're playing too much. Chidubem, stop playing. Since with no other person have any question, we're going to close today. And next week, please, I want to get your homework. Okay?
But I turned in my homework already. Yesterday.
Huh? Okay, chill out.
Okay, so I see you guys next week. Cardinal.
Bye.
Bye.